Hello, this is Garima. So today we are going to make a new video which is I have never done before. So we are going to talk about my collection of hoop earrings. Yes, they are very much in trend, very stylish, and they look amazing and attractive. You would be wondering why I'm wearing this sari, because I wanted to feel special, and sari is one of my very favorite outfit, and I think this is my favorite outfit, wearing sari. But I think I have never worn a sari while making a video. I have clicked photos and put in the video and on my Instagram and everywhere, but I have never made a video while wearing a sari. Though you cannot see my whole sari, but this is like a maroon color blouse and with my Kolkata sari and with all my artificial jewelry. So this collection which I'm going to talk about today is I have never done on my channel. I have never showed my any jewelry till now in my 100 videos, more than 100 videos. So I thought of coming up with my jewelry video, and though I have a lot of jewelry, so I will be doing it in a parts. So today I am doing a part of earring, which is our hoop earring, which I am wearing right now as well. I have not collected these earrings overnight, and it has taken me a very long time. In this very long time, I have already damaged or missed many of them. So I will try to bring back those collection and put photographs as well. So let's jump in directly into the video without taking much of your time. First of all, let's talk about the hoop earrings which I am wearing right now. So these earrings I own like from 10 to 12 years back. I bought it in Bhopal and they look amazing in the Indian wear. I wear it many a times with my suits, saris, and they look absolutely stunning. Right now I'm wearing a maroon color sari and which has a little bit of border, and the color is not same, but you can see this looks amazing. This has little bit of antique rusty tone, which is not golden, which is not silver obviously, which is not rose gold. So absolutely I don't have to worry about that what the tone of my dress is and what the tone of my earring is. It goes absolutely beautiful. So let's talk about another one. So these are my very favorite golden rose gold hoop earrings, which looks very classy. They are very big in size. It almost touches my this collarbone, and they look amazing and very classy, very sexy with the Western as well as Indian outfit as well. Indo-Western look में तो एकदम माशाल्लाह लगते हैं, मतलब बता नहीं सकती कितना सुंदर. So I got it from, I think, Wednesday Market of Lucknow, and it cost me around 150 to 200, not at all expensive. So it goes with every outfit. Then the next one is from the same family, I think, and they also look stunning. They are of different shape, but they're in square in shape. So this type of geometrical jewelry nowadays are very much in fashion, and it looks amazing because they give a very beautiful you know uh, outlook or look to your face. People with medium face or small face also आप बिल्कुल try कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. But obviously this is in trend, who cares, it looks amazing. So these also cost around, I think, 250 to 300, and you can absolutely buy it from anywhere. These are very much available, I think, online as well. अभी तो लॉकडाउन है, अपने wish list में डाल लीजिए और बाद में ऑर्डर कीजिए. Rose gold is the safest color, I think, and it goes with every dress, every tone of the color. You don't have to think about कि कौन सा tone होना चाहिए, golden है, silver है. It just goes with everything, with black, with silver, with golden, with shimmers, anything. It looks amazing, and it actually gives loop earrings biggest advantage, that it gives symmetry to your face, and it makes your jawline look more sharper. So that's how it goes with every type of face. So these earring, I cannot think my life without them. I don't even remember when I got them, from where I got them. I'm obviously sure that I got it from Bhopal, because I own this like from around 10 years now, and they have a beautiful graphic design of violet, blue and yellow, and whenever I am kind of in a beachy look or park, or like that, a fresh line, fresh look I want to give, and I don't want to wear a lot of jewelry or ornaments or accessories, and my dress, even if they are very simple, it goes like this. These yellow hoop earrings, these are made of quill. I think the umbrella part below is made of quill, and they are available in many colors. And you can also find these things in different sizes and with the resham dhaga umbrella as well, which also looks very beautiful with the suits especially. And this also costs around from 150 to 300 to 350, around that. Now I want to show you something which is very simple, and I'll not talk about the parties. And we actually live most of the life in office and right now work from home, but for your future. So these are the small hoops, and this which I bought it from the market, which I have not in the shoot. And while I'm filming that, I just remembered, I just saw that these are also hoop earrings. So these have little ghungroos, and this is a black metal. So these are very small, not very big, so it goes very good with the legging and kurti, and also with the sari, or even I have paired it with my long top and jeans, and they look amazing. Just tie a pony or a clutcher and it looks amazing. I wanted to show you this loop earring, which is jet black in color. Very simple, very sexy. You just tie a pony and you just give it a try, and your look is done. So next is in the same category is my blue loop earrings, which is smaller in size. So obviously I can use them in the office. It doesn't look too big. The stone over this loop earring has a little shine to it. So even it gives a little dramatic color, and gives a little umps to the dress. Somehow I missed these loop earrings. These are actually rings, and I've added these small jhumkis into it to make it little traditional. I've used these during my Aishwarya Rai route. If you remember, you can obviously remove the jhumkis and just use the loop. So this is all, the last one. So that's all for today. Hope you have liked it. I have tried to give it a new look, and first time I have talked actually about my collection. I have never shown my collection, or I have made any of the videos like that in my 100 videos by now. So hope you have liked it. I am trying to little bit challenge myself and come up with a good video, and you just have to wait for some more time. We were actually in the transition zone again. I am always in that phase, but I wanted to have a good setup, but because of this lockdown again it has extended, and I don't know till what time. So hope you guys will like this video. Do share with me, and you can also post your photographs and small videos if you have hoop earrings, or you have any kind of things you want to tell me and you want me to try, and how you liked my collection. I know with the time I had many hoop earrings with the big rings, and it has a little khungru in it, similar to something like this, and complicated design, which is again coming back in fashion. I have seen using many TikTokers are using that. So I had those and I have lost it. I have broken them. So yeah. So hope you guys have liked my video. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I will try to bring and give you as much as my effort and beautiful time with you. Bye.